Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're in Sayulita, Mexico, and we are just at the beach right now. We wanted to show you guys how beautiful it is, but that is not the agenda today. Today we are gonna go grab some delicious food. We have a couple spots picked out, but we're not really sure what's open right now. You can hear people whistling and having fun in the water. But yeah, so let's go.
Let's do it.
Grab some food.
Yeah.
Because I am hungry.
Same here.
Okay. Ah!
Pigeon
A
almost got you.
pigeon!
They seem to be on a mission.
How many times has that happened to me with a pigeon?
In Mexico.
Everywhere.
Mexican pigeons are crazy.
Everywhere, you guys. Pigeons want to take me out. I'm not even kidding. Wow. Okay, so, well, this was the first choice, and it looks like it's closed.
Darn.
Yeah. So this place is called Aloha, and they have like ceviche, tuna sashimi, burritos, tacos. But sometimes like restaurants will say that they're open and they're not, and that's kind of been our experience. So we weren't sure if it'd be open and it's closed. So we're gonna go to the other place, and spoiler alert, we have been here before.
Yeah.
But we have not showed it on camera, and it is that good that it needs to be shown. And I could honestly eat this meal every single day for the rest of my life and be totally fine.
Here, here.
So we're gonna walk there and we'll show you guys what we get. I just love this little road with the streamers and the palm trees and the shops selling coffee. Oh, it's okay, organic coffee. It's big here, coffee.
It's very big.
Lots of coffee places, people selling coffee.
Well, doesn't our lovely Tim Hortons come from like somewhere in South America, I'm pretty sure?
Oh,
like,
don't ask me that. I don't know.
I'm pretty sure all of our coffee that we drink mostly in Canada comes from down in these parts.
I have no idea. A guy back there was in like a steakhouse and he was eating spaghetti while he was eating a bag of Doritos. I find that very unique.
Yeah, that's great.
That's an interesting thing. Okay, I'm a little bit lost. Okay, I think it's this way.
That's right, honey.
I'm
Follow the one main street.
I know, honestly, there's like one main road and I'm like, where are we going? It's not hard to get. It's not, what am I trying to say? The sun is like melting my brain today. It's not easy to get lost, is that right?
So, I don't know. You're confusing me now.
You're supposed to help me.
It was easy until it wasn't.
It's not easy to get lost. No, I'm gonna give up on that. Okay.
Yeah.
Looking for a restaurant.
It's easy to get around the town.
Yeah. If you get lost, you're not lost. Just go down the next road and you'll probably hit the main town. Okay, it's right here actually.
There you go.
And yay, it's open.
Ta-da!
Woo! Heck yeah.
Let's sit down on the street here.
Yeah, I'd be down to,
Cool.
yeah, let's sit on the street. The other day they have a terrace and we sat up there for dinner. So we're gonna take the street table today if we can. And right here. And it's called Sayulita Cafe, Casa de Chile Relleno. We have picked our table.
Oh,
So we're gonna sit.
thank you.
Thank
Gracias.
you. Gracias. Okay, are we gonna get the same things?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get fish tacos.
A shrimp taco. We haven't tried the shrimp tacos here.
No? Okay.
I feel like they would do good shrimp tacos, but anyways, the tortilla soup for sure. One person, a guy we know, actually the reason why we came here is because he recommended the tortilla soup. And so we came here, we loved it, we tried it, we loved it. So we're excited to show you guys because it's like one of the best soups I've probably ever had.
Yes.
So good. So you can do fish or shrimp tacos.
That sounds like some shrimp. Let's try. Let's try.
Yeah, let's go
We
for
know
it.
the fish is good,
Okay,
so
yeah, so-
might as well try
yeah.
the shrimp to
Yeah.
pass on the message.
We should try something new. So we'll do those too.
So just check out how beautiful this little street is with all the little banners. It's crazy.
It's pretty.
And it's endless. Like you can't even see the end of these banners. And our little drink has arrived.
So,
Topo Chico. Whoa.
so we have not had Topo Chico, and this is what so many people drink, and locals too.
Oh, get that
And-
finger out of here.
Why?
Bap, bap,
I
bap.
don't like my little
You
finger.
may want to squirt your lime
Yeah.
in the coconut. Oh man, I feel fancy with my fizzy bubbly.
Yeah, so I think it's just like soda, but apparently it's really good soda. So I don't know if it's gonna taste different or. I've had soda before.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's like soda. Look,
Really?
it's really carbonated though. Wow.
Oh,
My cube is like right at the rim and it's hitting me in the face.
okay. You know what? I can see why people like that. There's something about regular soda that's a bit like, ooh, you know?
Yeah.
Like a bit like, ooh, that's intense, but this is actually like pretty, like, yeah, it is carbonated, but it doesn't have like a funky kickback. Does that make sense?
Maybe the carbonation or the salt. Here, I'll take one sip of yours with lime.
I actually really like it. It's good. Yeah, mine has lime. That could be helping too, I don't know. No, it's good.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's really good.
No matter which way you drink it.
It leans to me more on the water side and less of the like funky soda side.
I don't know how they've done it with all that carbonation because it's super carbonated. It's
Like,
nice.
Usually when I have soda, I put stuff in soda or I mix soda with stuff, but you could just drink this on its own and it's like really refreshing. Topo Chico, I like it. Okay guys,
It has arrived.
we got our feast. Okay, so the tortilla soup comes with avocado, crema, queso, tortilla, and bread.
Yes.
And then look at how big. For reference, my hand,
Huge.
absolutely huge. We got shrimp tacos, and then they come with, I don't know, they probably bring this to the table for everything.
Yeah.
Is pico de gallo, lime, and then salsa verde and salsa rojo.
This is one you might have to ask for. Straight out of the
Yeah,
fridge.
this is the chipotle crema. And we got this last time with the shrimp tacos, but we had to ask for it today.
Yeah.
This is liquid gold. You put this on the shrimp tacos and it's like, oh my gosh, it's so good. But also, I always ask for my toppings to be on the side for the soup because sometimes if they put it in there, the tortillas get soggy and the avocado gets hot, which I don't love when it like warms up.
Yeah.
So maybe this stuff would come in the soup, but it's deconstructed.
Yeah.
So that's what everything is looking like.
All right.
This is our view, and we're gonna set this puppy up and we're gonna dig in because I am starving. Look at this. Look at this puppy. That's like huge. That is a huge shrimp taco. Oh my gosh. I'm
Here we go.
so excited. And this is actually funny. I didn't realize last time Chase didn't try the soup.
No.
I got the soup and he got the tacos, and for whatever reason he didn't try the soup. So actually this is his
We
first time.
weren't sitting side by side last time.
Yeah. And he was infatuated with his tacos, so I didn't even realize.
Yep.
Oh boy. Yep. Just as good as before. So if I could describe this flavor, when I first tried it, it almost reminded me of a tomato bisque, but with a Mexican twist. So Mexican kind of spices, but tomato bisque vibe. So I almost feel like it's what?
Just grabbing this.
That's okay.
Yeah.
So I almost feel like it's like it's tomato based with cream and then yeah, spices. I don't even need the toppings. I could literally just eat it like this.
Thought I'd make my tacos so I'm not reaching everywhere, and one citrus.
Help me, ayúdame!
Wow,
That looks good.
that looks good.
I had to have a bite of this because I was so hungry.
Yeah, go for it, you know, do your thing.
I
I'm
love
gonna
this.
try this one.
Oh, you put the spicy.
I put everything on.
Also, this is something that we didn't know. Was when we did a tour guide or food tour in Mexico City, she said that typically a person would stick with either the green or the red sauce and
Yep.
not put both.
Yep, I
But-
just can't not. We've noticed that a lot of the times the green isn't as spicy. And this one right here, this orange red one, it's got a kick.
I don't usually gravitate towards the red one.
Oh,
Okay. Is the shrimp a winner?
a winner. The fish or the shrimp are winning. I don't think you can go wrong here.
Camera down! Alright!
What the
Camera
heck?
down! You guys, we're so sorry about the flies.
No,
We did not see this coming. Shoo shoo.
they love it today. Maybe that's another reason why you might want to be up on the terrace.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe they're down here. Wow.
Also, pico de gallo on the taco. It's a must.
Man, this is messy and delicious.
Oh my gosh. You know what makes a good shrimp taco? That really good deep fried flavor. And the shrimp is so succulent. Like, what do you even...
That's a good word. Succulent
Juicy.
shrimp.
juicy. I don't even know. I'm like, I just drip with the chip. I just put so much chipotle on there.
That's amazing. The breading is so good.
You have to put pico on there.
I put everything.
You put pico?
I put everything. But yes, put pico on your taco. When you get pico, it's a good day. Not everywhere has pico, so it is a really luxury thing to get. Wow.
Amazing.
I don't feel like there's any delicate way to be eating these shrimp or these tacos.
It's messy.
Yeah.
A napkin.
I have mine. I'm ready. But that's a lot of sauce. That's a lot of damage.
Oh, it's so good. So
Wow.
good. You should try the tortilla soup.
I should. All of a sudden it'll be gone again.
No.
And I missed a whole nother chance.
No.
Alright, you know exactly what I want. What's the perfect bite?
Okay. I'll put it in the corner for you there. Put some of the crema, tortilla chips.
Hola.
No,
No,
gracias. We got a
gracias.
big meal.
Yeah.
We're good. Okay.
Funny when food sellers try and sell you some food while you're eating food.
She was selling sweets though. She's got like almost looks like a whole big. I don't even know what's on her little tray.
Alright.
That's the bite right there. I'm excited to hear your opinion.
It's got a really nice creaminess to it.
I know.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
With how liquidy it looks, it's surprising how creamy it is. That's good.
That's good, right?
Yeah, that's really good. Woo! That's a scary taco. That one, like I ate the one that was easier to eat and I was having a hard time, and now this one's just like, that looks overwhelming.
Sometimes things are not pretty to eat, and I feel like tacos are one of those things.
Especially when they give you a generous portion.
Yours is like fully loaded.
Yep, you can't complain. Put a little bit extra citrus because of how loaded it is.
I just love the cheese. For anybody who's lactose intolerant,
Yep.
how do you live? Like, how do you live?
We actually have quite a few friends who are slightly lactose intolerant.
Well, they are. I'm not like,
Yeah.
I'm just like,
And
they still eat dairy.
they'll definitely eat dairy. That's how they live. They live in discomfort.
Yeah. That's kind of me too though. Like, I wouldn't say I'm lactose, but certain things like ice cream, if I eat too much of it, or milk, kind of gets me going. So like, gets my stomach a little bit.
Yep. Wow, this is crazy.
Like, come to Sayulita just to eat here, honestly.
Why not? And go surf it off.
You're powering down those tacos.
It's one of those things, if I have a handheld food item,
Just gone.
I kind of don't like my hands being dirty for too long. So, yeah, I eat it quicker than normal for some reason. It's like a subconscious thing.
Some tortilla soups too, they don't come like blended. And I think that's like a thing for me. I still like it when it's not blended, but when it comes blended,
You like baby food, eh?
you know I like softer food. If there's something crunchy and there's something soft, I'll pick soft, Chase will pick crunchy.
Yep. Shrimp taco, baby. So good.
I think I like the shrimp better than the fish.
You think so?
Only because I feel like when I have the fish, you couldn't really taste like...
There was too much batter compared to fish, right?
Yeah, so like I feel like the batter kind of overrode the fish taste.
Yeah, it's a little bit more in a perfect harmony with the shrimp. Wow.
It was like, this meal is so perfect. I want to come here and try other things because I'm sure that they have a lot of good stuff, but I just want to keep having this. Like, we're definitely coming back here.
Yeah.
Maybe even twice.
It's hard to steer clear or when you have such good meals.
Got this little crostini.
Sure. Got a mess up in here. Got a mess up in here.
So
Got to
good.
cleanse the palate.
Oh, you know what I forgot? Last time we came here, we had ceviche too. Wasn't my fave. You know, this is one thing about me. I am a sauce girly. My one friend doesn't even like sauce. Natalie, if you're watching, hello. You're crazy. That's psychotic. But I love sauce.
Well, that was a lot of cabbage. Carnivorous, or what is that? Cruciferous vegetables?
Oh, I don't know.
The broccoli, the cabbage, the Brussels sprouts, the ones that make you toot a little bit. Here we go. Got toot fuel coming in.
The ones that I love.
Yeah. Mmm. What nice crunch and freshness. Are you still light? I think you're doing well. Nice.
I think I do pretty well.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
You do really good. Oh,
and
wow.
Even if I get something on my shirt, I feel like it comes out easy. Like
you, yeah, I don't know how you do it. Magic, like, so many people are like, oh crap, I messed up my white thing. And, and Shelby seems to get away with it.
Yeah, how can you wear white? And I'm like, I just wash it. Or I like spot treat it and it's
soak it after the video.
Yeah.
We might still, you know, we might still be running home to spot treat this. We don't know.
It's not gonna happen.
As a drip that's like, phew.
Literally. All right, guys, we have cleaned house. There is nothing left to show you. That was so amazing. So we are finished. Our bill was 300 pesos. Yep. So for that nice, big, delicious meal, I'm full. Honestly, no complaints. And that is pretty much it. So make sure to stay tuned for future videos. And if you guys like these eating videos, leave us a comment below and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.